Hey there, fellow RV enthusiasts. I'm Tim from Rated RV, and today I'm excited to show you how to change a Lippert stabilizer jack on our Salem FSX 179 DBK travel trailer. Stabilizer jacks are essential for keeping your RV level and secure during your adventures. Keeping your RV level, not leveling your RV. But before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our RV maintenance and travel tips. All right, let's get started. Changing a Lippert stabilizer jack is easier than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So grab your tools, let's make your RV experience even smoother. I believe what happened was the renter put 3 stabilizer jacks up, forgot one, and started leveling the tongue jack. So all the weight for the trailer came down on the one jack and it bent. So we're gonna replace it. We're gonna show you how to do it. Here we go. We had a renter come back with a small issue. One of the stabilizer jacks was bent. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the stabilizer jack. So here we go. All right, this is the jack that's bent. I'm going to show you how it looks with the bent. I think what happened was when the renter was leaving, this jack was still down when he took the weight off the tongue jack. So tongue jack goes down first, then the stabilizer jacks go down. Then it reverses on the way out. Stabilizer jacks go up, all 4 of them, then the tongue, and you can drop it back on the hitch. This is what it looks like. So obviously it's not supposed to be doing all that stuff. So I'm going to take this one off. I got a brand new Lippert stabilizer jack. It's 24-inch, and it's designed to hold up to 5,000 pounds. All right, this thing's held on by 4 screws. I'm sorry, these are 3/8 tech screws on here, so I'm gonna pull these out. The impact. There's one. There's 2. And back on the other side. There's 3. And then this last one, for some reason, it's 1/2 inch regular bolt and not a tech screw. So I'm gonna throw a wrench on it. Already loose. We're off. Right, so here's the old one that we just took off. I don't see a Lippert marking on it anywhere. It does have this old label on it. Right here, model SJ2500. I'm not sure if that is a Lippert label. However, it does have the Made in China logo on the bottom of the foot, so it's not surprising that it fell over, but I think most of the stuff we're going to get now is going to be made in China anyway. But anyway, here's the new one. Here's the new one. Here's the Lippert box that it came in. 24-inch scissor jack. It also comes with the mounting hardware, and these are significantly heavier. They're also self-tapping, but they're heavier than what was there, so I'm not sure. I might have to pre-drill some holes under there after a look. But this is just how the difference in the hardware. This is the new one that came with the Lippert component. This is the original one that came installed on the trailer. Sold on the trailer, so you see the Lippert one is significantly beefier. So yeah, let me take it out. Nice package. It's a little bit heavier than the other one too. made in China on it anywhere either. Oh yeah, it's made in China. HO in China, but yeah, it's a 5,000 pound capacity. All right, let's go see how it lines up. All right, so look, this is kind of weird, but this is your mounting area right here. This is the original hole that that 1/2-inch bolt was in. I think that I could start there and put that bad boy in there, and then re-drill the other 3 holes and get these things started. All right, I tried to get the holes to line up, but unfortunately they're not going to line up, so I'm going to have to mark them, drill them. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to lift it. I'm going to lift it in place to where I want it. So then I can go in there and mark it, drill it. I'm going to drill it with I'm going to start it with an 1/8-inch bit to pilot it. Stick this thing back in place and get it lined up. I'm going to do the same thing over this side. I'm going to start out with an 1/8-inch pilot bit.